O Mary, you shine continuously on our journey as a sign of salvation and hope. We entrust ourselves to you, health of the sick. At the foot of the cross, you participate in Jesus' pain with steadfast faith. You, salvation of the Roman people, know what we need. We ascertain that you will provide, so that as you did at Cana of Galilee, joy and feasting might return after this moment of trial. Help us, Mother of Divine Love, to conform ourselves to the Father's will and to do what Jesus tells us. He who took our sufferings upon himself and bore our sorrows to bring us through the cross to the joy of the resurrection. Amen. We seek refuge under your protection. O Holy Mother of God, do not despise our pleas. We who are put to the test, and deliver us from every danger. O glorious and blessed Virgin.